हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम टू iExamB। एम्ब्रेस द iExamB लर्निंग एक्सपीरियंस। आप लोगों ने यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया मैनेजर लॉ के रिक्रूटमेंट के बारे में सुना होगा। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर अ स्टडी प्लान विद यू विच यू कैन follow at your own pace. Since there is only law subject, the preparation strategy actually involves reading the law topics on a regular basis, revising them and practicing them. Your last date for filling the online application form is 23rd of February. Expected exam date is 17th of March. So 17th of March means you have around 5 weeks in hand. Keeping that in mind, I am giving you a 5 weeks study plan and preparation strategy. There are 25 vacancies for manager law. In the eligibility, your age should be between 26 and 32. You should have a bachelor degree in law with minimum 50%. Minimum 4 years post-qualification experience is also required. Coming to the online examination, professional knowledge test is there relevant to the post. There are 100 multiple choice questions carrying 200 marks. The duration of the exam will be 120 minutes. There is a penalty for wrong answers. 1/4 negative marking is present for wrong answers. Then there is a mention of personal interview of 50 marks and GD of 50 marks. Now there could be a possibility कि written exam ना हो, but according to my experience, written exam होता ही है. If online exam and personal interview is conducted, then your aggregate will be calculated adding both of them. If online examination is not conducted, only PI is conducted, then only personal interview marks will be added. If online examination is not conducted and both GD and personal interview is conducted, then merit list will be prepared on the basis of aggregate marks obtained in group discussion and personal interview. This is the study plan. You can download this from the description below. This study plan is for the online written examination and the time commitment required is 7 to 8 hours. Now this may vary. If you have been preparing for various other exams and you have already covered majority of the syllabus, then that is good for you. If not, then you will have to devote your time in order to complete the syllabus in a span of 5 weeks. So that's why I have given a time commitment of 7 to 8 hours. Now this may vary as per your preparation level. You have to make your plan regularly. You have to follow the study plan religiously. Keep Sunday as your revision day and your practice day. In the week 1, I'm asking you to study Companies Act, IBC and some of the banking laws. I have given you 4 days for Companies Act and in fact also mentioned the chapters. These are the most important areas from Companies Act from where you can expect questions. So go through these areas first. Then in IBC part 1 and part 2 is important. Then coming to these banking laws. These are not very huge banking laws. You can also cover anything which is remaining on Sunday and try to revise and practice through mock test on Sunday. Week 2 has your Constitution of India, Contract Act, Specific Relief Act, Transfer of Property, Arbitration Conciliation Act. आपको लग रहा होगा एक दिन में इतना कैसे कवर होगा, but since you have less time before the exam, you will have to brush up, you will have to speed up and you will also have to revise at a fast pace. In week 3, I have given you CPC, CRPC, Limitation Act and IPC. Then week 4 has your Partnership Act, banking laws and other important laws from which you can expect questions. In the week 5, few acts are remaining: Law of Torts, Digital Personal Data Protection Act, Women Reservation Act and Legal Maxims, Evidence Act, Bharatiya Sakshi Sanhita. Then in the last 4 days, I have asked you to revise and practice. Now, if you are not able to cover some of the areas, you can extend them to week 5. But I am hoping that from at least week 3 onwards, you also start attempting mock test. So on the weekend, at least give mock tests. In week 4 and week 5, give 2 or 3 mock tests per week. Revise on a regular basis. This is your strength area. There is no quant, reasoning, English or GA. You have studied law in your graduation. Now you just have to revise, practice so that you are able to attempt maximum questions in the exam. You can download this study plan from the description below. Keep it in front of you and follow it on a religious basis. We have also launched online course for Union Bank of India Manager Legal Post. To use the study material, practice lot of questions, attempt mock tests, you can also get yourself enrolled in our online course. To know more about the course offerings, you can reach out to us on this number. You can also mention your queries in the comment below. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with a crisp and concise content. You can also download our app. You'll be able to attend the live classes, practice daily quiz. You'll have full course access from our app. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.